Hello, welcome to Determining Your Technology Needs. In this presentation, we will discuss the basics in conducting a technology needs assessment in an elementary school setting. Let's begin with a definition. According to the National Center for Education Statistics, or NCES, a technology needs assessment is an evaluation of the technical tasks and functions a school must be capable of performing, or the needs that technology must be able to meet. This evaluation works to compare the existing conditions and preferred conditions of a school and is an integral part of developing a technology initiative. In order to carry out a successful needs assessment, staff from within the school should be the main team members conducting the assessment. While a technology expert can offer direction and advice, staff members are the experts of the day-to-day school operations and as such can best explain the possibilities and limitations of the school's technology. The school should strive to have representation from each area participate in the assessment to showcase the needs of all users. In an elementary school, this would include parents, teachers, administrators, community members, and support staff. After a team has been identified, there are three main steps to be accomplished. The first and most important is gathering needs-related information. This can be done via an online survey, focus groups, questionnaires, or face-to-face interviews. This step can be very time-consuming, so it is best to stick to deadlines once you've created them. Once you've collected this information, then it is time to review and prioritize the school's needs. The NCES suggests to separate the needs into categories first, such as things that can be done manually, things needing technology, things that can be changed with policy, and things that can be put aside for now. Furthermore, needs can also be separated by their function, such as instructional, administrative, or operational. A big part of reviewing needs is knowing what resources you already have in place within the school. Finally, the last step is to document your results by writing a statement of needs. As part of analyzing a school's technology needs, your team will need to assess what resources you already have in place in the school. These resources include, but are certainly not limited to, computers, scanners, printers, other hardware, operating systems, software, networks and network capabilities, human resources such as staff, parents, community members, and volunteers, as well as all monetary resources. It is best for schools to keep an updated inventory on hand. Once your team has gathered the necessary information and assessed the current resources, it is time to document a clear and concise statement of needs. This should include a well-thought-out statement that describes your technology initiative solution and a detailed set of functional specifications. Now that I've given you a brief breakdown of how to determine your technology needs, I hope you understand the importance of this step in planning a technology initiative within an elementary school.